day today is?
It's iPhone release day! At least at the time that I filmed this video. I bought the iPhone 16 Pro Max in the stunning desert titanium color, and let me tell you just like how excited I am for this upgrade. I'm upgrading from the iPhone 12 Pro to the iPhone 16 Pro Max, so this upgrade is pretty substantial for me. I'm really excited this go around. I really tried to hold out as long as possible for an iPhone that was like new rather than just like an iteration. I wanted more like innovation with the upgrade, and with Apple Intelligence coming out next month, I really wanted to get a phone that was going to be able to support that because the 12 Pro is not capable of any of those fun features. So I didn't want to be missing out. I wanted to be included in the fun. So today we're going to be unboxing the iPhone 16 Pro Max, and yeah, let's get started. Oh wow, okay. Even though we had a sneak peek at the Apple event, seeing this in my own hands for the first time is something else entirely. The desert titanium color is just absolutely mesmerizing. It's sleek, it's sophisticated, and honestly, it's exactly what you would want if you're trying to make a statement with your phone. I really love the color. It reminds me a lot of the iPhone XS Max. I had that one when it came out, and it was a stunning phone. I loved the colors, and just looking at this phone, it brings back a lot of memories from that generation, especially with the glass around the cameras in contrast compared to the titanium. It really stands out and it's beautiful. I'm happy Apple brought back the gold. I really missed it when it was the iPhone 15 lineup. Instead, they went with the blue color, but I'm glad that this year we're getting the gold back, and it's stunning. Now let's take a look at what else is inside the box. Apple has made a few changes here as well. So we've got the charger here. It's USB-C to USB-C. I love that Apple is starting to make all of their cables this braided nylon material. It just feels very premium. The pamphlet has also been redesigned. It's very small, you know, front and back, 2 pages. That's crazy. However, guys, there's something that's actually missing in my box. I don't know if any of you guys have realized it, but Apple didn't put stickers in here. It's because they're trying to be carbon neutral by the year 2030. I think I did see a post somewhere on the internet that if you buy an iPhone from the Apple Store, they'll actually give you Apple stickers upon request. So if you need your Apple stickers for your Hydro Flask or your laptop, there you go. All right, so let's power this baby on. The phone, it's greeting me with the hello. So while that's happening, why don't I show you my phone case and the fun accessory that I got to go with it. I got this gorgeous tie-dye crackle ice kind of design. It's made by Sonics. It supports MagSafe, and to go with it, I bought this MagSafe Suction Attachment. So I'm really excited to use this when I'm getting ready in the bathroom, and I can just stick my phone on the mirror and watch YouTube as I get ready. All right, so I transferred my cellular and all my data from my 12 Pro to my 16 Pro Max. It probably took about 30 minutes. I have a lot of photos and files on this phone. One of the first things I'm going to do is explore the new camera control button. This is a dedicated physical button that allows you to take photos and start recording with ease. It's positioned on the side of the phone perfectly so you can access it without having to awkwardly fumble through your main screen. And plus, it's multifunctional. You can put a little bit of pressure and automatically the menu will pop up. So you can swipe kind of like a slider, if you will. If you do that twice, it will actually open up the menu where you can go through different camera settings like exposure, depth, zoom, cameras, styles, which is your filters, or your tone. Now let's get into the camera lenses because some exciting updates are happening here. The ultra wide lens has been upgraded to 48 megapixels, which significantly improves low light performance. So this means that you're going to get clearer, more detailed shots, even in those challenging lighting conditions. Now let's talk about some of the new camera controls in the camera app, because it's going to be a game changer for those that are content creators or are constantly using your phone for, photography or videos. For video, you can record in HD 240 frames per second or 4K 120 frames per second. You want to capture something like cool, like action, or if you're going to the beach and want a slow-mo running on the sand kind of shot for your Instagram. Video recording has also seen some improvements. You can now pause and resume recording, which is something I know a lot of you have been asking for. It's perfect for those moments where you just want to keep recording, but you need to take a quick break. The editing tools have also been enhanced with new audio mixing options and playback speed controls. This makes it super easy to adjust the speed of your videos, add effects, and fine-tune the audio without having to export your footage to like another program or your laptop, for example. So let's talk a little bit more about what makes the iPhone 16 Pro Max stand out. One of the things that I always do with the new iPhone is I like to check out the wallpapers. Apple has introduced new wallpapers for each of the colors, so I'll go to the background settings. There is black, white, natural, and desert. I really like these wallpapers. I think that they really pop and complement each finish of the phone perfectly. And speaking of display, let's talk about some design changes. The bezels. I think for me, the first thing that's really catching my eye is how small these bezels are. Apple has done a really great job at redesigning the iPhone to shrink those bezels. It actually makes the display feel even more immersive. The screen feels expansive, and with Apple's ProMotion technology, everything is buttery smooth. Scrolling, swiping between apps, and playing games, they all feel incredibly responsive. And it looks like their corner radius issue might actually be resolved. So under the hood, we've got the new A18 Pro chipset. This chip is a powerhouse delivering faster performance and more efficient power management. One of the standout features is Apple Intelligence, a suite of AI-powered tools that enhances everything from photography to gaming. The first set of Apple Intelligence features are going to be rolling out in the next couple weeks, so that'll be exciting. Stay tuned for videos on that when they drop. Overall, the design of the iPhone 16 Pro Max is stunning. Apple has taken everything that we love about the previous models and refined it and made them even better. This build quality is exceptional, the materials feel premium, and every detail has been carefully considered, and it really shows. There's so much more to explore with this phone, and I can't wait to dive deeper with all of the new iOS 18 features and Apple Intelligence when it launches in a couple weeks. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tech reviews and unboxings. Thanks, guys, and I will see you all in the next video. Peace.